Okay. We want to sketch a graph y equal to x squared minus x minus 6. They want us to show the coordinate of the point where the curve meet the coordinate axis. So normally when we draw the graph, we will want to have the x-intercept, y-intercept, and the maximum or minimum point. Okay, so we don't draw the modulus directly. We draw the without modulus first. So if I want to draw x squared minus x minus 6, so I want to find the roots. Okay, so I have the x 2 3 minus plus x equal to negative 2, x equal to 3. Okay, so this is when y equal to 0. It is the x-intercept. So if I want to find the y-intercept, so I sub x equal to 0. So the y equal to 0 square minus 0 minus 6, it is negative 6. Okay, and I want to find the axis of symmetry. I know that it is negative 2 plus 3 over 2. These two add up and divide by 2. Okay, it is 1 over 2. Okay, and then I want to find the minimum value. Okay, this one, a is 1. So this a is equal to 1. It's greater than 0. It is a smiley face. Okay, 笑脸. Okay, so the minimum value is we have the x equal to 1 over 2. The y is 1 over 2 square minus 1 over 2 minus 6. So it will be the x square minus x minus 6. Calculate. I substitute with 1 over 2. Then it will become negative 25 over 4. Negative 25 over 4. Okay, we have to show this step. Okay, so that you can get the mark for step. Okay, we can check the answer for this one very easily with the very powerful calculator 570EX. Okay, it is allowed to use in the IGCSE exam, but don't know the exam board, they don't know that the calculator can do this or not. Okay, if can, then for me, I will avoid to come out this kind of question. So equation, then go to number 2, polynomial, and go to number 2 again, degree 2. So we have the 1 equal, negative 1 equal, and negative 6 equal. And you press equal again, it will say that x1 equal to 3. Okay, so x1 equal to 3, then this is the root. And x2 equal to negative 2. Okay, this is the other root. And then we have the x equal to 1 over 2 is minimum value of y. Okay, the x equal to 1 over 2, the y is minimum. So the minimum value is negative 25 over 4. Okay, so magic. Wow. So what I did here, all the thing that I did here, the calculator can easily show us. But in the exam, if you don't show this step, I don't give you mark. You can use this to check your answer. Okay, so the graph of the x squared minus x minus 6 will look like this. This is how the graph look like. Okay, we have the negative 2 and 3. Okay, so we have something like this. This is x, this is y, and we have this one. So the shape will look like this. Well, shape will look like this. So this is 2, negative 2. This is 3. This is 1 over 2 and negative 25 over 4. And this one is negative 6. Negative 6. This is negative 6. Okay. So this is the graph of y equal to x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, x squared minus 6 minus 6. Okay, so when we do the modulus, what will happen is we reflect this part. The negative When we modulus, it will become positive. It will something look like this. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, so we will have something like this. Okay, we will have something like this, and then this, and you wait not. So it look like this and this. So this is -2, 3. This is -6. Modulus becomes 6. And this is 1/2. Modulus, it will become 25/4. Okay. So this is how the shape look like. So the shape is something look like this. It's a ding, 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 ding. Okay. So for this one, we have the x squared minus x minus 6. So it will look like this. So -2, and this one, something like this. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is the graph that's more show. Okay. This is the graph from Desmos. So this is the graph drawn by Desmos, and this is the graph sketched by me. Okay, so they want us to solve this one. This is equal to 6. Okay, this equal to 6. So we want to have this equal to 6. So we can, if we want to solve it graphically, then we can see that when x equal to 6, okay, y equal to 6, so it will have something here. 4, -3, and then 0 and 1. Okay, so we have 4 answers here. So when y equal to 6, it will be this, this. -3, 0, 1, and 4. We have 4 answers here. Okay, from the graph, okay, we can see that, okay, when x equal to -3, 0, 1, and 4, y equal to 6. So when we solve this, we have to do 2 lah. Okay, so this one, we will have the x squared minus 6 minus x minus 6 equal to 6, and the x squared minus x minus 6 equal to -6. Okay, because when we open the bracket, we have this one. Okay, we have this one equal to plus minus 6. So we have the x squared minus x equal to 0. So when I move here, then it will become 0. And I factorize the x. So we have the x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So you can see this one, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. And we have this x squared minus x minus 12 equal to 0. Then we open the bracket, we do the factorization. 3, 4, -4 plus. So x equal to -3 and x equal to 4. Therefore, x equal to -3, 0, 1, and 4, okay, is the answer. -3, 0, 1, 4. Okay, yes. So this is the modulus. Okay, so you imagine the graph without modulus will look like this. So original, the graph look like this. Okay, we have the -2, 3, -6, and this one is the minimum value. So we know that modulus is we reflect the negative part to the y-axis. 下面的反射上去 then it will look like this. Okay, so this is the original without modulus. After we modulus, it will look like this. This is after we modulus. So we will have these two sides. Why? Because original this two is here. So after we reflect, we do the modulus, the positive, the one positive, still positive. So you have still have to remain there. Ma. So this one, original have is here. Ma. So after we reflect the negative part, no, this one is still there. Okay. Mm.